All right. I want to know, do you have any tips or advice for how to have a good conversation, especially nowadays where that is very, very limited?
Okay,
Rare.
with that, I would say how to have a good conversation is really having tremendous self-awareness. And I can give you 3 points on this and how to really assess yourself before even going into a conversation. Number one, I would tell you that pre-conversation, have the right attitude, the right kind of equipment that needs to be there before having a good conversation. Meaning, what do you bring to a conversation before actually someone comes into your presence? And what I tell you, what is your goal within a conversation? Do you ever think would you ever think about that? What is my goal in a conversation? I give you a goal. Your goal really is for someone, when they enter your presence, to leave in a better state than they have entered. If you really set that up right, then you can actually gauge every single situation you actually fall into, or you're gonna every single transaction. Let's say. With that, here's how it goes. If I come into a conversation and I am so full of life, people want to be around me. I have a smile on my face. I see someone, I shake their hand. You know how those people that sometimes you come across and they know you, but they're kind of trying to look away, you know what I mean? Is he here? Oh, maybe they didn't see me. Why? So with these kinds of things, this is what you want. You want to be that open person, very accepting, because even the science of a smile is amazing. The basis of it, it shows acceptance. When I smile at you, I value you. So raising your value before you even enter a conversation. Now, number two, when you get to the conversation, take a snapshot of the person. What kind of mood are they in? Are they in a bad mood? Are they in a not so good mood? Are they negative? Are they positive? Where's the attitude? Maybe something really happened to them that's very tragic. Take a snapshot before you enter the conversation. So when that person enters your presence, you know exactly where they're at. Now, when you start engaging in the conversation, really when you start understanding that, okay, here's the person, here's where they entered, where do they want to leave the conversation? What do you want to end up with? Now I engage in the conversation and actually imagine flipping the person 180 degrees. They enter your presence and they leave in a great state. They don't leave in an okay state. Actually, you flip them 180 degrees within, let's say, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Now you're becoming